Programming an XGB PLC using a structured text or ST can be efficient for control engineers and automation professionals. Structured text is a low-level programming language commonly used for PLCs, programmable logic controller programming. It offers a robust, structured approach to design control logic for industrial automated systems. ST programming is sometimes a more straightforward method for those with a background in programming languages such as C, C++, Java, or Python, over the more popular ladder logic diagram. In addition, ST can be used with artificial intelligence (AI) using the large language model (LLM). This is ideal for creating an example program to adjust to your application. This post will explore the fundamentals of programming an XGB PLC using structured text programming. We will be programming our lighted push buttons to control the start-stop circuit. Let's get started. Detailed information contained in this video can be found at accautomation.ca. A link has been put in the description below. If you have not watched the other videos yet, there will be links in the description below that will start you at video 1. There will be links to the rest of the videos in the series as well. Start a new project. Please start a new project with the free XG5000 programming software we installed previously. We can start a new project by selecting the icon on the main menu. This can also be done by selecting the main menu Project, New Project, or by using the shortcut combination of Ctrl+N. The new project window will now be displayed. Enter a name for the new project. You will see the default directory in which our program will be stored. Under the heading PLC, ensure we select the make and model of an LS Electric PLC we will be programming. This is the XGB IEC series, XEM DXXX-H2 type, and we will leave the LS PLC name as the default. Under the program heading, we can select the program's name and the programming language. We will name this program and ensure the language is set for structured text (ST). Select OK. Ensure the name does not have any special characters or spaces. An error message will be displayed and you must correct the name. If we expand the program under the project window, you will see the local variable list. Note, as we program, ensure that you select Save Often. This can be done with the main icon page or main menu Project Save. Artificial Intelligence (AI) for programming ST PLC code. Generative Artificial Intelligence (AI) can be used to create sample programs using ST. This is because ST is a structured language that follows a set of rules and guidelines, making an ideal candidate for machine learning algorithms. ChatGPT is a powerful AI tool that can generate code for ST for a start-stop circuit. We can ask ChatGPT to create an ST PLC program for a start-stop circuit. ChatGPT will respond with the following sample code. This is very good to learn the structured methods of programming structured text in the PLC. We can ask ChatGPT to create an ST PLC program with green normally open and a red normally closed push buttons. When the green push button is pressed and not the red push button, the green LED light will come on and the red LED light will be off. If the green LED light is on and the red LED is off, and vice versa. This is a little more detailed about what we were trying to accomplish with our ST PLC program. Once we understand the structured text or ST programming, we can program our PLC. Create the structured text program, XGB PLC. Paste the sample code that ChatGPT created in the program window. The program code variables are entered in the local variables for the XG5000 programming software. Enter the variables in this window for our sample program. We can now remove the variable section in the AI-generated code. Save the program. Check the program syntax by selecting the main menu, View, Check Program. Note: since ST programming duplicates outputs, we will disable the warning option when checking the program. Transfer the program. We will transfer the structured text ST program to our XGB PLC. Select Connect Settings from the main menu Online. The Connection Settings window will now be displayed. Since we do not know the IP address of our XGB PLC, select Network Browsing. On the Network Browsing window, expand the Ethernet option. This will instruct the software to look out onto the network and report back all the IP addresses for our PLCs connected. Select the one found and select OK. Returning to the connection window, we can now select Connect. The bottom of the XG5000 software will show red, indicating that the PLC has stopped scanning the program. It could also be green, indicating that PLC is running and scanning the program. Select Write from the main menu Online. The Write to PLC window will be displayed. We will leave everything as our default and select OK. Our program will now transfer to the XGB PLC. Messages will indicate if any errors have occurred when the writing is complete. Select OK. Monitor the program. Once connected to the PLC, change the controller's mode to Run. This will execute our structured text code. Select the Run icon on the main menu. The message will be displayed asking if you want to change to Run mode. Select Yes. Our program is now running. Select the Monitor icon on the main menu to monitor the structured text in the XG5000 programming software. Use the monitor list to view the variables. An easy way to add the variables to our monitor list is to select the structured text or variables, then select Add from the main menu, Monitor, Add to Monitor Variable. Your selected variables will now be displayed. Operate the push buttons to ensure that our start-stop circuit is working as expected. We can monitor the conditions in the Monitor 1 display. This lets us catch any errors or issues before commissioning the PLC in the field. Our AI program is not working as expected because the red button is wired normally closed, so we need to remove the NOT condition. If the red button is not on, the green LED light is off and the red LED is on. We must also consider when the PLC first powers up and both outputs will be off. We can add the not green LED to when we turn on the red LED. Online editing and testing the ST program. Online editing can be used to modify and test our ST program. 3 icons are used for online editing: Start Stop, Write, and End. These are located under the main menu, Online, or icons on the main menu. Select the Start Stop Online Editor or select Control Q. Remove the NOT condition from the first line of our red button. Change the Else line to Else If Not red button or Not green LED then. This will ensure that the green LED will be kept on until the red button or green LED is not on. Here is our program. Select the Write Modified Program, Control W icon to transfer our program to the XGB PLC. Select the End Online Editing, Control U icon to stop editing our code. Operate the push buttons to ensure that our start-stop circuit is working as expected. monitor the conditions on the statement list and the Monitor 1 display. Programming an XGB PLC using structured text ST offers a powerful and flexible approach to design control logic for industrial automation applications. By mastering the syntax and structure of the structured text, understanding the control requirements, optimizing code efficiency, and implementing error handling mechanisms, you can develop robust and reliable control programs for XGB PLCs. With continuous learning and adaptation to new technologies, we can leverage structured text programming to create innovative solutions for industrial automation and control systems. The XG5000 programming software allows you to troubleshoot with visual aids and cues quickly. Now that you know how to program the XGB PLC using structured text, click here to practice your knowledge using the free PLC simulator in the XG5000 programming software. Click here for the entire XGB PLC series on our ACC Automation website.